Aditya Birla Group subsidiary Novelis has filed its IPO papers in the US. The company is targeting a valuation of $12.6 billion. Novelis will be offering 45 million shares and aims to raise $945 million from its public issue. Nisha Poddar is here with all the details.
That's right. In what could be one of the largest first US listings by an India-owned company, well, Aditya Birla Group's Hindalco, flagship company Hindalco's wholly owned subsidiary Novelis has kick-started its IPO process with investor roadshows for an NYSE listing. Now, in terms of the filing, first, a few important numbers. $12.6 billion could be the value of Novelis on the upper end of the price band for this particular IPO. Now, Hindalco owns Novelis 100%. It's a wholly owned subsidiary, and the entire IPO proceed is going to be about $1 billion, which will be totally fundraised by Hindalco since the whole IPO is an OFS. Looking at some of the numbers, $18 to $21 per share is the kind of price band that Novelis IPO has stipulated, which means around $810 to $945 million of IPO issue, which also means that with the green shoe option, it could be about $1 billion. Now, Hindalco, which holds 100% stake in Novelis, would hold close to about 92% stake after the IPO process is over. Now, importance of this particular IPO, first of all, the monetization by India-listed Hindalco, which could be close to $1 billion. Second, in terms of the valuation impact, remember, Hindalco is trading at about $18 billion, and this particular IPO is going to be around $20.5 billion. And that means two-thirds of the IPO valuation, or the two-thirds of the valuation of Hindalco as per SOTP estimates, is ascribed to Novelis, and that particular valuation will also impact Hindalco's valuation. And third, the big ability of Hindalco to raise more funds with this particular IPO, and also furthering its capex plans and funding it.
All right. Thank you very much, Nisha, for getting us that very important story. Moving on.